This training was supported by Nomadic Women for Sustainable Development and Reinvent. It involved teaching our police officers how to handle gender-based violent cases, starting from prevention of the same, handling of the same, investigations, and working throughout the criminal justice system with the victim, so that at the end of it, justice is served and we are able to ensure peace and security, especially during this time of elections. We also have a syllabus which is geared towards making sure that police officers are knowledgeable in the laws that are applicable when it comes to matters to do with the sexual and gender-based violence.
It's important for the police to have this training because of this, and Isiolo was also highlighted as one of the hotspot areas in the country, and because of that we want to have early response, we want to have also mitigation, and so that this violence that which was earlier talked about should not come to in Isiolo.